Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Rashid. I am living in London. I own a construction firm here in London. So this message is for Mr. Farid, the CEO, Archi Designo and Construction. Basically, I wanted to build my dream house back home, Pakistan. So I use his services. I want to let you know how amazing he is and how professional he is in his profession. I didn't had enough time, so I had to push him. I'm very sorry for that, to complete my work as soon as possible, but he did an amazing job. He used every single square foot of my space and making sure that I'm not wasting any space. He made amazing design according to my desires. Wherever I needed, he put in everything in that little space for myself. The best thing about him, because I'm a builder and I see architects, engineers, building control every day and daily basis on my different sites. I have seen that this guy is very professional, very punctual and very hardworking. He spent so much time and he tried his level best, and he gave me excellent service within no time. So highly recommended. Finally, I would definitely say thank you very much to Mr. Farid. And I would basically ask everybody who wants to use construction services or designing or engineering, this guy, he works with everything, so you don't have to go nowhere. Just use his services and you can trust him. He's amazing. He does the job properly. This is what I would say. So highly recommended, and good luck with everything, and thank you very much.